Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. When it comes to prepping, having the right gear can make all the difference. Today, we're highlighting 3 essential items you can find on Amazon that are perfect for any survivalist's kit. Whether you're bugging out, camping, or preparing for the unexpected, these tools will have your back. First up, we have the premium pocket chainsaw, 36 inches with 48 teeth. This lightweight handsaw is a must-have for any serious prepper. Whether you're clearing brush or cutting firewood, its sharp, durable teeth can handle the toughest of jobs. Compact enough to fit in your backpack, but strong enough to cut through thick branches, this is the perfect tool for building shelters or clearing your surroundings during a bug-out scenario. With a 20% discount on Amazon, it's currently priced at $19.99, down from $24.99. A small investment for something that could be a real lifesaver. Next, let's talk fire. The Fire Starter Survival Tool from Prepared4X is an all-in-one fire starter kit that includes a ferro rod, a 36-inch waterproof tinder wick rope, and a steel striker. Starting a fire is one of the most critical survival skills, and this tool makes it easy, even in the toughest conditions. With its waterproof tinder wick, you can get a flame going even in wet weather, ensuring you'll stay warm and be able to cook food or signal for help. Currently available for $19.99, it's another great deal at 20% off. In any survival situation, having a reliable fire starter is essential. Finally, you need something to carry all this gear, and the CV Life Tactical Backpack is a solid choice. This military-style rucksack has a massive 60-liter capacity and features a detachable mole bag for added customization. Whether you're bugging out or heading into the wilderness for a long haul, this backpack has the space and durability to keep your gear organized and accessible. With multiple compartments and padded straps for comfort, it's designed for heavy-duty use. Priced at $39.99, this tactical backpack is perfect for preppers looking to stay organized and prepared on the go.
So there you have it. 3 essential prepping items available on Amazon right now.
Affordable, durable, and built for survival, these items could be the difference between life and death in an emergency situation. Be prepared, stay ready, and don't wait until it's too late. Links to all these items are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that bell icon and subscribe for more great content.